While the Drug Controller General of India asked not to conduct human trials for Indian COVID-19 vaccine candidates Covaxin and Zycov-D marks the beginning of the end of the coronavirus pandemic, says an article by scientists with the Ministry of Science and Technology. Well, we have a phone in on this topic. We have our correspondent Vasavi. Vasavi.
भारत ने कोरोना वैक्सीन बनाने में लगभग कामयाबी
Well, the Drug Controller General of India asked not to conduct human trials for India COVID-19 vaccine candidates Covaxin and Zycov-D marks the beginning of the end of the coronavirus pandemic. Well, we have a CVR correspondent to speak on the COVID-19 vaccine, Vasavi Kaleru. Well, Vasavi.
Well, yes, Havila, the ongoing
yes, Vasavi, what is the current status of COVID-19 vaccine, and what about other treatments for COVID-19?
Well, yes, we have a top of vaccine candidates in India and worldwide for the coronavirus, Havila. So like as the coronavirus hit around India and the worldwide, crore number of people.
Yes.
So it is a very necessary thing for the vaccination, and a number of people are waiting for the perfect vaccine to come out, and many researches are also happening. Well, in a latest update regarding the coronavirus vaccine, we have that Science Ministry statement here. Like
Yes.
the ministry statement comes out that amid a bigger over a letter by the ICMR, which was setting an agenda for August 15 as an Independence Day as the target for the release of a novel coronavirus medicine.
Yes.
So it is also marking the beginning of the end here at the India, says the major scientists of ICMR team. So here, the approval for the human clinical trials for the two made in India COVID-19 vaccine candidates, which are like Covaxin and Zycov-D, are the major two vaccines which are into the lines, Havila. So these are the novel coronavirus pandemic, which affected 1.2 crore people worldwide, which are left over for 5.3 lakh dead, is going to have a relief with this two Covaxin and Zycov-D.
Yes.
So here, this while be striking on the optimistic note, which are also a letter written by the Ministry of State and Science and Technology, says that there were 100 vaccine candidates. Like a part of this too,
Yes.
there were 100 vaccine candidates in the world currently. So of which level of them were in human trials. So not like a number of, as we know, researchers are happening in each and every corner of the state, corner of the country, corner of the world. So here among the 100 approved medicines for the coronavirus, we have level into the trials with the humans.
Yes.
So if we could get at least one nod from any CDSCO, like Central Drug Standard Control Organization, in a positive manner, then we can go ahead with the implementation and execution of the medicine. So in the same line, if we observe the August 15 deadline for the end of release of the corona vaccine in India, which will be hoping a betterment than this positive and the increasing cases in the state and the country, Havila.
Right. Vasavi, nations around the world are in race to create the first vaccine that can be administered widely. Well, as a tool to immunize people from COVID-19, what do you have to say on this?
So, like when speaking about the corona immunity, so we
Yes.
have a very interesting thing coming up these days.
Right.
So, the major thing which we observe here is in the race of the virus, there are also Babas coming up who talks about the immunity reports and the immunity passports,
Right.
which creates antibody elites.
Yes.
So, like there are n number of immunity tasks, n number of immunity measures, like in the homeopathies, in the allopathies, in all kind of medicinal treatments, and some of yoga masters are also getting into the world of immunity, like as it is mandatory for the to prevent ourselves from coronavirus. So,
Right.
immunity passports in the context of COVID-19 is also been observed by the World Health Organization. So, where it says the measurements of the antibodies which are specific to COVID-19 and the development of immunity as a pathogen, which all through natural infection, is a multi-step. It is not a one-step. So, we have at least around the mysteries which our scientists still raising to solve. If it is like we can control the immunity power, like from immunity to the role of genetics, nature looks at different pressing questions about the COVID-19. And here, if we look after the studies, and
Right.
the immunity generated vaccines against pathogens without ever contracting the diseases is a very less count.
Right.
So, in the regards the immunity against COVID-19, which really means is a question mark into the heads of n number of people. So, but as a result, so far now, as everyone is being believing in the case of this novel coronavirus, recipients are thought to be have been bad, and where the immunity must be happening, must be there with each and every individual to battle this virus, and where if we check out available primary data of the median time, we have only mild cases which are approximately 2 to 3 and 3 to 6 weeks of the patient
Right.
who were in severe or critical diseases.
Yes.
So these people are lacking of basic immunity strength in the body, and these items like Ayurveda medicines and the food, good hygiene, healthy food, and these are all the tricks if we could follow and the hacks if we could maintain, there can be a change for sure, because we also seeing people getting cured from positive to negative. So in the same manner, if we could maintain some immunity, that would be great as a scientist.
Right, Vasavi. Also, as we are talking about ICMR, well, ICMR hopes to release clinical trial results for Bharat Biotech vaccine by August 15th. And also, ICMR claims it to launch Covaxin by August 15th. What do you have to say on this? Is it August 15th? Is it the deadline for this?
No, Havila, usually it is into the rumors that the ICMR has set an agenda for 15th August as a deadline for COVID-19.
So you mean to say they may extend the deadline or extend the date also?
No, actually what the ICMR tried to project out the information was, it was aiming to complete the trials quickly, which was similar to vaccine candidates in other countries.
Right.
We observed hundreds, and we are going to check out level of them for the trials.
Right.
So on the same line, to get to complete the trials, they were actually targeting August 15. So
Okay.
separately, the Science Ministry has also noted that the vaccine was unlikely to be ready by 2021 as well.
Yes.
So it is to retract the deadline later. Like they have no other notices is being served and no other reports on the deadline for the vaccine.
Right.
But the thing is, the ICMR is targeting to finish off their trials because they are into a number of trials. They wanted to stop the trials by August 15. Not to stop, they just wanted to have at least a certain solution to come out and to gather reports. So they are targeting to like just find out the trials, ensure the trials on the place with the reports by August 15. And the deadline is still uncertain. And they also, the ICMR also is not certain if the vaccine could be out by 2021.
So you mean to say that they may extend the date also?
It's not about the extending the date. It's not in their hands, they say. So
Okay.
they are still tentatively like reporting things. As the Indian Council of Medical Research on Sunday, it has set on 15 August deadline for Made in India vaccine for COVID-19.
Right.
Well, it is seeking to allay a controversy over setting a hurried target for the drug.
Right.
Because India is already into the higher like yellow light and the limelight in regard to this coronavirus vaccine. So the Apex Biomedical Research Agency was aiming to complete their trials quickly.
Right.
So similar to the Western candidates in other countries, like which all considered the need to urgently control the coronavirus pandemic, which was actually a better step we can say about ICMR this time. So on the same line, if we talk about the deadline again, they are still uncertain on the deadlines, Havila.
Right. Also, well, the process of creating vaccines, ordinarily takes at least 5 years. Well, regulators around the world have, fast-tracked the process for the coronavirus. What do you have to say on this?
So strictly advised companies are accelerated approvals related to starting clinical trials here, just to ensure the subject enrollment is initiated no later than July 7th.
Right.
So as our internal communication is being misrepresented,
Right.
so we only say that we envisage only a vaccine by 15th August and it is not just like a deadline.
Right.
So, and we have said that we will launch a vaccine, like the ICMR said they will launch a vaccine and the process can be expedited, but the vaccine will still have to undergo all safety clinical trials, unlike just a drug coming out.
Right.
So it need to be get trialed and then it need to come out. So it will definitely take a time, and that time will might also make things worse if our public and our citizens couldn't follow our proper measures. So that is a critical situation happening here in Telangana and across India, Havila.
Well, right, Vasavi, thank you so much for joining us on live.